Welcome to Easy Go Studios' first ever Airsoft Battle Royale. I am supposed to hide these weapons throughout the field, and then our gentlemen are going to come back, start at their respective starting points with no weapons, and they will go out, loot weapons and ammo from the field, and then they will fight each other. Last man standing wins. Hopefully you enjoy this.
Hey guys, Ethan here, ready to conquer.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You think, what's your game plan?
Win. Hey everybody, Ethan here, get ready for the Airsoft Battle Royale. I am very confident. I'm going to be a vulture. I'm going to be sucking up these dead bodies, sucking up their guns, and just going for the kill. I am going for gold. Okay, I gotta find a weapon. Oh, stinking eye. One of my balloons just popped.
I am very confident.
Oh, Ethan's down one, I can already tell.
I gotta find a weapon. My balloon popped almost immediately. It's not good.
Ladies and gentlemen, Micah finally seems to have found a gun. Carson has a sniper rifle. And Ethan is trying to figure out how to work his CO2 pistol.
Dude, I still haven't found a weapon yet. I'm pinned down. I gotta run. Oh.
Where'd they go? What? How did you do it?
I stood still and he shot me and not my balloon.
Carson! Ethan!
I never found a gun.
You never found it? You were the closest to a gun.
That wasn't the plan, guys. That wasn't the plan. Both my balloons popped and I didn't even get a gun.
I am very confident.
That was, hey. Round 2 though, we're in it. All right guys, Ethan here for round 2. I have ditched the trench coat. It's not good. It popped both my balloons last time. Looking cool is not worth losing the competition. So I'm here. We're gonna get it this time.
Micah Thomas coming in strong. Wow, he's speed demon in it. Oh. Whoa, hey. Ethan, you literally stopped 6 feet from a gun and left.
I am very confident.
Carson coming in with his machine gun. Micah hears the signature rattle of incoming. Ethan pops a shot at Micah. So far, we have all balloons in the game, which is a good start for us. Ethan with the classic black and orange. Oh, he takes the treasure. The wonderful sniper rifle mounted with a GoPro. Carson seems to be finding himself a shield. Nope, he just abandoned it.
All right guys, got the sniper, refill cartridge, pistol. Let's do this.
Carson, put it around. Sneaky. I think he's gonna get a flank on Ethan while Ethan's practicing his new gun. Carson's right there. Ethan's coming. Ethan sees him. Carson, safety's on! Mike is coming in on flank. Ethan and Carson now moving in on Micah, who's the only one with 2 balloons and the reigning champion. Ethan has the best sniper rifle. Carson has the most intimidating weapon on the field. Ooh, Micah coming in with the weapon Ethan dropped earlier. Oh! Micah, Ethan, and Carson all down to 1 balloon. They closing in on you fast. Oh no! Micah's down. Carson has one super pistol up his sleeve. If you hit the cameraman, I'm gonna be so mad. He didn't find. No holding up. Oh, Carson, what did you do? That's it, boys and girls. Ethan, unable to shoot a shot last time. Won this time.